This morning I've been creating a binaural audio environment here at Eaves Bush on the hill above Orewa beach. And it's a beautiful morning after rain. So we've had the sound of the raindrops falling from the trees. It's the pure experience of the rainforest. The way it used to be on these islands when all the land was covered in trees. This is a very unique place here. The trees are coming back from the ancient forest, and it's a beautiful experience to be here. This is where I grew up. This is the playground when I was a kid. I used to come and play with the birds and listen to all their songs, and so they've been a very important part of my life through the years. And I wanted to recreate that experience and honor their music in my music.